Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's that silver Porsche 911 Targa. This is a 24. We have a few Targas in stock right now. Let's see down here. But let's focus on this one. This is a GTS. Really nice condition all the way around. This was originally a European delivery to a customer, from a customer that lived in Canada. Well, it originated in Canada. We still have a Porsche factory warranty, and we've added a 2-year CPO warranty onto it, and that can be serviced anywhere in North America. Let's take a look at the inside. Kind of lightly optioned with a combination of leather and race tex interior. We have the excuse me, partially manual seats. We do have the sport kind of configuration, so we've got larger bolsters here and by your hips. Getting inside, you can see that it has Sport Chrono. And we'll start it up as it sits. 4,162 miles. You can see here we've got sport exhaust, PASM control. Down here we have a heated seat, not ventilated, but given the race tex in the seat centers, it just has the heat. It's just a nice clean example. If you have any questions, reach out to me, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.